What do you think about the job so far? The job at hand.
Horseshit.
It's horse shit.
Yeah.
What the fuck you building there?
A fucking pergola.
A pergola. You heard that right, straight from the boys. On the fucking rooftop. Straight up into the city of Chirac. In the ghetto. Building fucking pergolas on fucking rooftops. Oh, fuck yeah, boys. Look at this shit. You can go down there. Basically, though, we're gonna fucking dick all these fucking pieces right up into these here holes. Those big long beams we carried all the way up the fucking staircase. Luke's over there. He's fucking welding on the fucking tops. This is gonna be a nice fucking pergola. You approve? Alright, it's a Donovan approval.